So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I will give you a tour of this hotel. It's called Prime Asia Hotel. So this is Prime Asia Hotel, as you can see guys. This is the Prime Asia Hotel and it has until 6th floor and it has also pool at the rooftop. So this is the entrance right there. That's the entrance right there with the security guard. And they also have a restaurant. So if you have also car, you can park your car. So yeah, so let's go inside guys. Let me show you the lobby and receptionist, and of course we also gonna go to the rooftop. After I'm gonna show you the room. So this is the restaurant guys of this Prime Asia Hotel. The name is Marsha Mediterranean Restaurant, if I'm right. So they also open Tuesday to Saturday 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. and Sunday 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So they have Indian restaurant, they have Western restaurant, Indian food.
take me